guys, what's up? Now, my name is Akhil. I hope most of you know me. Today, I'm just going to make a video vlog on my life here in Germany. I'm currently living in Darmstadt, which is near Frankfurt, and I'm going to Karlsruhe today for an entrance examination at Karlsruhe Institute, which is one of the premier institutes for mechanical engineers. I just made something for my lunch here. See this? This is my lunch today. It's just bread, salami, and some cheese. Right now, I worn like 3-4 layers of clothing. One jacket here, inside that is another jacket. Inside that is another shirt, inside which is a thermal, as you can see, a thermal here. I mean, I don't even know how I'm going to survive in this cold weather. I'm just new here. It's actually extremely, what do you say? It's extreme. Well, it's -7 degrees outside. And it's really cold. With all these gloves and things, stuff like that, it's very difficult to navigate. I mean, I can't even use my mobile phone here right now. Since it's the first time vlogging outside, it feels really pretty weird. But I think it's okay. So, I'm on the tram right now, on the way to the Hauptbahnhof Darmstadt. And well, when I reach there, I have a train at 11:40. The time now is 10:40. I think it'll take around 20 minutes to reach there. So, I just reached somewhere, I don't know where actually. I think I missed my stop. Now I'm going to the Hauptbahnhof Berlin. Now I'm going to Hauptbahnhof. I don't know how to go, I don't know what the way is. I'm just walking, I just find it out. Okay, you can see straight, it's the Bahn Gallery. I don't know what that is. I just have to go there and find out where to go next. Well, I can see a train going right here. Yeah, well, this place is really good, really beautiful. You can see there's no dirt, there's nothing, like not a speck of dirt anywhere. And the streets, like you have a place to walk. So I'm in the Bahn Gallery here. It's just a long pathway, it's just like a way to the platforms here. I have to go to the platform number 9. And my train leaves at 11:40, and I have to get at Mainz Hauptbahnhof, which is another railway station. I had to change trains there. It's really cold here, guys. It's -7 degrees now. My hands are like stiff, really stiff. Well, guys, when you come here, do definitely bring properly clothing because it's very difficult to get adjusted here because of this cold. I think it's the coldest it has got here in the past 20 years. I'm ready for my train. There's still 20 minutes left, and I don't know how much more I can stand with this cold. Oh, my hands are right now freezing. My train has arrived here, so I'm going to board this train right now. It's RB75. Oh my god. I just got on the train right now. Wow, it's warm here. My hands are actually freezing cold right now. Oh, this time really takes some time getting used to. So I'm in Mainz Hauptbahnhof right now. I just go to my platform. My platform is 5A or B, so I'm right now with the platform sitting there. On the platform right now is another regional one, which is a local train. I have to take the East here. I don't know which train that is. It is going to Zurich, and I need to get another Karlsruhe. Guys, I'm right now in Karlsruhe campus. Oh, this is the campus building you can see. Oh, it's really huge. This is actually a really big campus, I think. I'm right now in the southern part. I had to walk another 500 meters to reach my hall. It's Karl Benz. I forgot the name of the place, but that's a room there. Oh, this Karlsruhe campus is really beautiful. So I'm all covered. You can see the campus behind me. I'm just walking towards my hall. The exam doesn't start in another hour and a half, so I think I have time to eat my lunch there in the hall. I reached somewhere near the mechanical department of the Karlsruhe Institute. Now here you can see it was in this place that Heinrich Hertz discovered the electromagnetic waves between 1885 and 1889. And well, you can see the campus here. I think somewhere around is the machine mechanical department. I found out the place where my exam will be held. I have to be there in like half an hour. So in the meantime, I'm just hanging out here just to have videographing everything. So, well guys, the exam was over. It was pretty shit. I'm back now in Karlsruhe Hauptbahnhof. It's almost 6:30 and my train comes at 7:10. Now this is not a connection train. I can directly go to Darmstadt Hauptbahnhof. And since I did not eat lunch, I had to go to McDonald's. And guess what? You get the cheapest items in McDonald's. I could eat a burger for just €1. So guys, I'm back. I'm almost back to my room. I really screwed up the examination, but yeah, well, I'm here back. Well, I got more accustomed to the climate here. You can't see me, it's totally dark here.